Hi, good morning. This is Jason Sen for ntmarkets.com. I'm having a look at energy today. This is a weekly chart of WTI crude oil. You can see that we've basically been going sideways on a, if you look at the monthly chart, on a monthly basis. These two big red lines here sort of outline the channel that we're stuck in. It's become very volatile in the last few weeks. We saw these 3 weeks where we fell about $12 and we've just recovered all of that in the last 3 weeks. So very strong moves for crude. We're up near the top of this range now with the trend line here. You can see coming in at 96.85. We've managed to get to 97.17, so not too far above there. Failed to sustain it. You have to wonder whether we've topped out now after this very strong 3-week rally. Daily charts are obviously overbought after such a strong move, so we could perhaps tail off. These weekly Fibonacci levels seem to be working quite well, so 93.92 on the weekly chart looks like a good support level. Perhaps we'll head down towards there now. This is a weekly chart of Brent Crude, which is certainly a lot less volatile than WTI. You see that in the last couple of weeks we've held the 200-week moving average here. That's the black line I'm just trying to highlight. We've got two trend lines on here, one going back to the middle of 2010, so approximately 3 years long, this trend line, and we managed to hold that quite nicely. So between the 200-week and the moving average in this trend line, we've managed to bounce, and things are looking a bit more positive for Brent Crude, I think, because of that. Daily chart, we're getting a little bit overbought, so maybe we've gone far enough for this week. Maybe a little pullback, but nothing too serious, I don't think. This is a weekly chart of natural gas. Has had a great run up over the last year or so. Nice steady rally. As you can see from this weekly chart, we did top out. We had a little double top here. You can see the first week we got to 44.29 and then we got to 44.44. We had a reversal, key reversal week. So we made a new high and then a lower close. That indicated we'd topped out, although the double top told us that already at the beginning of that week. What we've seen now is a pullback, which wasn't totally unexpected, as I mentioned. Good support here though at 38.44. combined with a 200-week moving average at 38.05. So although there's probably a little bit more room on the downside, we're not particularly oversold on the daily chart yet. I'm looking for it to bounce from that 38.44, 38.05 level. And even though the weekly stochastics have turned negative, that doesn't mean we can't bounce off here and perhaps even retest those highs in the 44.44 area. We'll see what happens and if we can bounce from this area as we hope. Thanks very much. Jason Sen from DayTradeIdeas.com for ntmarkets.com.